Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update GoTyme app. So if you also want to update GoTyme app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you think you're not using the latest version of the application, you might want to update the application. If you haven't updated the application, you might be facing some problems. Updating the application will get you more features and benefits. So if you want to update the application, it's actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons. You'll be able to find the icon for games, apps and search. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at top you'll be able to find the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply search for GoTyme. Now over here you'll be able to find the application for GoTyme Bank. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find further information regarding the GoTyme application over here. Right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After the application has been updated, open option will appear instead of update option. That means your application is updated, but if your application is not updated, simply tap on the update option. After that, your application will be updated. So that is how you update GoTyme app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.